Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to take a look at kachyos Cosmic Desktop. So let us start. In the last video we have installed the Cosmic Desktop using the kachyos installer, and we are using the system boot. Let us see. So you can see this is the system boot interface, and it is little different from what you get in the grub bootloader. The screen is little different. So the system boot does not have the support for this wallpapers, boot wallpapers, and you can see the session manager is there, and you got the Cosmic desktop or the Cosmic session to choose from, and the keyboard layout is US. You have to just input your password here in the password field, and you got a reboot and restart shutdown buttons at the top right corner. Is this? So these are arrows to choose between multiple users. You can see here. I think here also the issue is going to come. Let us see. Same problem here. I don't think the Cosmic desktop is going to boot up. Let us wait for another 2 minutes. No, it is not working. It should work, but it is not working. So we cannot do anything about this since we are using the Arch base for testing out the Cosmic desktop in kachyos. The stability is not there here. But if you want to really use the Cosmic desktop, I think you have to use the Pop OS ISO, where it at least works pretty fine, but not here in Arch Linux, where the Cosmic desktop is not booting up. We had used the kachyos ISO, and then we chose the Cosmic desktop for installation, but you can see here what it is happening. It is not working. So that's it for today's video. We will meet in the next video with another desktop of kachyos. I think we will go with the GNOME desktop next time. Bye bye.